Hello everyone, my name is Will. I'm here with Paul for New England Foundation Crack Repair. We're going to be talking a little bit about cold joints today. As you can see over here, Paul's going to explain to you the old existing foundation and when they put in a new foundation.
So here's the old foundation here. Used to go all the way across the room. They wanted to put an addition on, so this is actually the new foundation poured, butting up against the new foundation butting up against the old foundation. And what happens is when it dries, it doesn't meld. It's not melded with the existing, so you have a small gap here, some better than others, but this is actually called a cold joint. So what we're doing is drilling in at a 45, which I already did just for the video. So you can see the drill hole goes all the way through the new foundation into the old. Then we'll insert our injection packers, seal this up, make it aesthetically pleasing, inject it, and no more water.